Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix could not connect to iCloud. This phone number cannot be used at this time. For example, if you try to log in into iCloud and you put your phone number for verification and you see an error could not connect to iCloud, this phone number cannot be used at this time. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. So you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to click on reset network settings. And after clicking on reset network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to check whether now you are connected to a proper internet connection. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on Apple ID, and after that you have to click on iCloud. And after that, now what you have to do, you have to simply change your mobile number which you have used while connected to iCloud, and you have got the error. If you got the error again, then what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time, because this phone number cannot be used at this time. So you have to wait for some 24 hours or 48 hours, and after that you have to simply try to log in with a phone number again. And after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. So hope you have liked this video. When I get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.